Wonders of the Philippines, 10 most beautiful places. Welcome to the Philippines, a stunning archipelago of over 7,000 islands where nature and culture combine with adventure. Explore the scorching peaks of Mayon and tall rainforests and blue-green reefs in this tropical heaven that is an adventurer's paradise. Bask on white sand beaches, snorkel through rainbow-hued coral gardens, or find hidden waterfalls and hidden coves beyond the tourists. With over 170 languages and hundreds of years of culture blending indigenous roots with Spanish and American influences, the Philippines is rich in culture as it is in natural richness. Live life in full color in its festivities, joyful dances, and the unparalleled hospitality of the Filipino people. Come to the Philippines, where every island has a story to share. 1. Samar, the untamed island of adventure. Welcome to Samar, the Philippines' best-kept secret and a true nature and adventure paradise. Located in the eastern Visayas, Samar is a land of uncharted landscapes, mysterious caves, and rich culture. Unlike the more popular destinations, Samar boasts a pristine beauty that is waiting for you to explore, discover, and rediscover with nature. Samar Island is also teeming with thick tropical rainforests and is home to the largest protected area in the nation, Samar Island Natural Park. The park is reputed to contain a lot of biodiversity, featuring uncommon birds and flowers, as well as other special wildlife elsewhere found nowhere. But what sets Samar apart is its cave systems. The Langgeng Cave Complex is the largest in the Philippines and among Asia's largest. The underground system of limestone caves stretches for kilometers with stunning stalactites and stalagmites resembling nature's cathedral. The Calbayga Caves themselves are another underground marvel, with vast chambers and underground rivers that echo with the sounds of dripping water and distant wildlife. 2. Bohol, where nature meets wonder. Welcome to Bohol, one of the Philippines' most enchanting islands, a place where nature's marvels and cultural treasures come together in perfect harmony. From iconic landscapes to fascinating wildlife, Bohol offers an unforgettable experience for travelers seeking adventure, tranquility, and a glimpse into Filipino heritage. Few sites in the world are as unique as Bohol's Chocolate Hills. These are not just ordinary hills, they are a geological wonder, numbering over 1,200 cone-shaped mounds spread across the island's heartland. During the dry season, the grass covering these hills turns brown, giving them their famous chocolate color and creating a surreal, almost otherworldly landscape. Legends abound about their origin. Some say they were tears of a giant, others a natural gift from the earth itself. Visiting the Chocolate Hills is a must, whether you choose to admire them from a viewpoint or explore nearby hiking trails for a closer look. 3. Leyte, land of history and hidden islands. Welcome to Leyte, an island rich in history, vibrant in culture, and blessed with breathtaking landscapes. Known as the Land of the Return, Leyte holds a special place in Philippine and world history as the site where General Douglas MacArthur famously returned during World War II. But Leyte is more than its past. It's a thriving land of nature's wonders and resilient communities. Leyte's history is woven deeply into the fabric of the nation. The island was the stage for the historic Leyte Gulf landing in 1944, a pivotal moment that marked the liberation of the Philippines from Japanese occupation. Visit the Leyte Landing Memorial Shrine in Palawan, where statues commemorate this momentous event. Nearby, the MacArthur Landing Memorial National Park offers panoramic views of the landing beaches and educational exhibits that bring history to life. Leyte is home to stunning natural attractions that beckon adventurers and beach lovers alike. The Kamigan Island, a narrow sandbar stretching into clear, turquoise waters, is often hailed as one of the country's most pristine island paradises. Beyond the beaches, explore the lush interiors of Leyte's rolling hills and forested mountains, perfect for trekking and discovering local flora and fauna. 4. Surgeo Del Sur, the land of water and myth. Welcome to Surgeo Del Sur, a land carved by waterfalls, kissed by the sea, and protected by time. A place where every river whispers a legend, every wave hides a secret, and every sunrise over the Pacific paints a memory that lingers. Tucked in the northeastern corner of Mindanao, Surgeo Del Sur remains one of the Philippines' best-kept secrets. But those who venture here don't just find a destination, they discover a story. In the quiet town of Anatuan, hidden beneath a veil of forest, lies a river unlike any other, the Enchanted River. Its waters glow a shade of sapphire so pure, so mesmerizing, it seems painted by the gods themselves. Locals believe spirits guard this place, that the river sings, that it breathes. Divers have tried to find its source, but even science bows to its mystery. Every day at noon, a bell tolls, and fish rise from the depths as if summoned by magic. To witness the enchanted river is to see wonder in motion. 5. Ilogon, the city of majestic waterfalls. Welcome to Ilogon City, known throughout the Philippines as the City of Majestic Waterfalls. Nestled in northern Mindanao, Ilogon boasts over 20 breathtaking waterfalls, each a natural masterpiece that showcases the raw beauty and power of nature. If you're searching for adventure, serenity, and natural wonder all in one place, Ilogon is a destination that should be at the top of your list. The most famous of Ilogon's waterfalls is Maria Cristina Falls, a stunning 98-meter cascade that powers the region's hydroelectric plants. Its sheer force and thunderous roar are awe-inspiring, making it not just a natural wonder but a vital lifeline for Mindanao's energy needs. Viewing Maria Cristina Falls from the observation decks gives you a front-row seat to nature's powerful display. Just a short drive from the city center, Tinago Falls, which means hidden in the local language, lives up to its name. Tucked away in a deep ravine and accessible only by descending a long staircase, Tinago Falls reveals a tranquil blue-green pool surrounded by lush jungle. Beyond waterfalls, Ilogon offers plenty for the adventurous traveler. Hiking trails wind through forested mountains where you can spot exotic birds and native wildlife. 6. Sambalonga, the Latin City of Asia. Welcome to Sambalonga City, often called the Latin City of Asia. Located at the southern tip of the Philippines' Mindanao Island, Sambalonga is a captivating blend of cultures, history, and natural beauty. Its unique Spanish-influenced heritage, colorful traditions, and stunning seascapes make it a destination unlike any other in the country. Sambalonga's rich history is evident everywhere, from the architecture of its centuries-old forts to the language spoken on its streets. Here, Chavacano, a Spanish-based Creole language, is widely spoken, a living testament to centuries of Spanish influence. The city's proud past is showcased in landmarks like Fort Pilar, a centuries-old military defense structure that now serves as a museum and cultural center. One of Sambalonga's most iconic sites is its Vinta boats, traditional wooden boats with vibrant, multicolored sails that gracefully glide across the waters of the Celebes Sea. These boats are not just transportation. They're a symbol of the city's rich maritime heritage and the skill of the local Yakan and Tazig boat makers. Sambalonga boasts beautiful beaches and nearby islands waiting to be explored. The pink sand beach on Sta Cruz Island is world-famous for its soft, rosy-hued sands, a natural phenomenon caused by crushed red organ pipe coral mixed with white sand. 7. Kamigan, the island born of fire. Small but mighty, this volcanic island in the southern Philippines is a treasure trove of natural wonders, rich history, and warm smiles. From the moment you arrive, the scent of salt and earth greets you. Lush green mountains rise sharply from the sea, crowned by volcanic peaks that have shaped both the land and the lives of its people. Kamigan is home to 7 volcanoes, each with its own story. The most famous, Mt. Haibak, last erupted in the 1950s, forever marking the island's landscape and resilience. Despite the fiery past, Kamigan has grown into a paradise of waterfalls, hot springs, and pristine beaches. Katabawasan Falls cascades down a jungle cliff in a refreshing curtain of water, inviting travelers to swim in its cool embrace. Just nearby, the ardent hot springs bubble with warmth, a natural spa that soothes body and soul. But Kamigan's beauty is not only natural, it is steeped in legend and faith. The sunken cemetery tells a haunting story. A volcanic eruption submerged the old town, leaving behind a giant cross marking the graves beneath the sea. It's a solemn reminder of nature's power and the islanders' enduring spirit. Kamigan is small in size, but vast in heart, a place where nature's power and beauty dance in harmony, inviting visitors to explore, reflect, and be renewed. 8. Palawan, the crown jewel. What if there's a place where the ocean glows beneath the sun, where jagged limestone cliffs rise from turquoise waters like ancient guardians, and time seems to pause with every wave? That place exists. It's called Palawan, the crown jewel of the Philippines. The journey begins long before your feet touch the sand. From From the window of a small plane, tiny islands scatter across the sea like emerald jewels, floating in glowing blue. This isn't just a destination. It's a feeling, an awakening of wonder. El Nido is the heart of Palawan's magic. Towering limestone formations surround hidden lagoons where kayaks drift in silence, and every shade of blue reflects off the water like glass. You paddle through narrow cliffs into secret coves, walk barefoot on remote beaches, and dive into coral gardens where sea turtles glide like gentle spirits. Every moment feels like a dream that refuses to end. Palawan isn't just a place you visit. It's a place that stays with you. It reminds you of the world as it once was: wild, pure, sacred. It invites you to slow down, to breathe deeper, to look closer. Because in Palawan, nature is not something to escape to. It is something to return to. This is Palawan, a living dream, a natural wonder, a last frontier. And once you've seen it, you'll never see the world the same way again. Palawan is poetry. It's where land, sea, and sky fall in love. Siquijor, a name whispered in folklore, wrapped in mystery, and burning with a quiet beauty that escapes the ordinary. To many Filipinos, it's a land of enchantment, a place of healers, mystics, and ancient traditions. But for those who dare to go, it becomes something more, a sanctuary of peace, untouched nature, and wonder. The moment you arrive, you feel it, something in the air. Time slows down. The noise of the world fades away. Palms sway gently over sleepy coastal roads, and the sea glistens like liquid silver beneath the tropical sun. Siquijor doesn't shout to be noticed. It waits, silent and serene, for those who are truly listening. Waterfalls cascade through the forest, hidden behind narrow paths and leafy green canopies. Sambalonga Falls, with its triple-tiered flow and rope swings, invites you to leap into its turquoise pools and feel the weight of the world fall away. The water is cold and clear, and the laughter of locals echoes through the trees like a song from long ago. But beyond the beauty lies something deeper. Siquijor is a place of stories, old, strange, beautiful stories. Of potions brewed under the full moon. Of herbs and oils used by the albulario, traditional healers who mix nature with belief, science with spirit. Every Holy Week, the island becomes a pilgrimage site for those seeking healing, not just of the body, but of the soul. As you travel around the island, you'll find Leyte trees hundreds of years old, their roots dripping into spring-fed pools like something from a forgotten myth. Sit beside them, and you'll feel it, the stillness of centuries watching over you. 10. Cebu, the Queen City of the South. At its heart is Cebu City, the oldest city in the Philippines. It pulses with energy, alive with history, yet racing toward the future. Jeepneys rumble down avenues lined with skyscrapers, while just around the corner, centuries-old churches whisper the stories of Spanish galleons, missionaries, and warriors who once walked the same cobbled paths. But Cebu is far more than its city. It's an island, a province, a world of its own, with stories written in coral reefs, carved in mountain trails, and sung in every dialect spoken from the highlands to the sea. Further inland, the mountains rise, green, lush, alive. Osmeña Peak, the highest point in Cebu, offers a view that feels like a dream. Jagged hills roll endlessly like a sleeping dragon's spine, and from the summit, the world looks soft, infinite, and still. Then there's Bohol, a sleepy beach town that becomes extraordinary the moment you dip beneath its waters. Here lies one of nature's greatest shows, the sardine run. Millions of shimmering sardines move like a single body, swirling, spinning, dancing beneath the sea. Sea turtles swim silently nearby, while freedivers disappear into the deep in pursuit of silence and grace. If you love this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing adventures. See you in the next one. Mabuhay!